testimony you'll give will the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Is the prosecution ready for the first witness?
Yes.
Could the wolf have gotten pig blood on his mouth while giving the pig mouth-to-mouth resuscitation?
That's possible.
Are you familiar with the weather conditions in Stockton, California on the day Peter and Paul Pig died when their house collapsed on them?
I am.
And what was the weather like that day?
I understand that their houses fell on them and on them on August 15, 2013. That day it was sunny but very windy.
Did you blow down Paul Pig's straw house?
No,
When it fell, how close were you?
about 50 feet away. Fell on me too.
Did you blow down Peter Pig's tree house?
No.
Did it fall on you?
Yes, and the twigs cut my face and hands.
It is now up to you to look at the evidence and determine whether William Wolf is guilty of the charges of murder of Paul and Peter Pig and the attempted murder of Porky Pig. I would ask you to find William Wolf guilty.
You were asked to find my client guilty of 2 murders and an attempted murder beyond a reasonable doubt. Based on the evidence in this case, you cannot do so. In the matter of the people versus the pig. Wolf. Defendant Wolf is not guilty of murdering the 2 Pig brothers. Defendant Wolf is not guilty of attempting to murder victim Pig. Signed by 4-person, date to February 24th, 2014.